Do you, Katrina Foley, solemnly affirm that you will, as mayor of the City of Costa Mesa, support and defend the Constitution of the United States of America and the Constitution of the State of California against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that you will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of the United States of America and the Constitution of the State of California, and that you take this obligation freely, without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion, and that you will well and faithfully discharge the duties upon which you are about to enter? If so, please say, I do. I do. Congratulations.